with little tiny. Hey!
Uh-oh! Nella, where are you? You're in the supermarket? Come here, I want to show you something. Oh, okay. I want to know what my surprise is. What do you think it is, little friends? I have another surprise for Nellita. I have a fun game we're going to play. Hi!
Hi! This is your surprise.
What is that?
See and see.
Open and see. Ooh, it's our little friend Marshall.
That's your surprise. Look it.
It's similar to this. Look.
Whoa, so big. That's super big.
Well, and I got a surprise for you. Are you ready to play? But we have to open the show. Hi, little friends! Welcome to the Two Dog Show! Today we're gonna play with magnetic blocks. Ooh! Wow, this is fun. Ready?
Yeah!
Let's dump it out. Uh-oh. Wow! How many?
How many things?
Look, here we have letters. Wow.
Something fell off.
We also have numbers.
Something fell off, little friends. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Me!
So much fun.
Number.
All right, Nellita. Let's see. What do we want to make?
I want to make this. I want to make a lot of houses.
Ooh. Wow, look at this. That's a lot. Okay, how about we make a little car?
Okay.
This sounds interesting, right?
Interesting.
Okay.
Let's make a car.
Let's see. So we're gonna need our wheels.
Are you ready to make a car, little friend? Let's go! Mommy, let's build it!
Yes, let's build it. So first we have to make our wheels.
Yeah, let's make our wheels.
And we're gonna use this square.
This is my wheels. This is my wheels.
Yeah, and we're gonna put our wheels in here like this. Make it click.
Look it like this.
And now you
Look it like this. Like this.
rotate them like
Like this.
Oh.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I can't find the other wheel.
Okay. Next, we're going to
See, little friends? Up and down.
need
up and
a square.
Down.
What color do you want?
I have one red.
Ooh, look at this.
I want to do that. I want to do that.
So cool. Look, we can make them so long.
I want to do that.
Do you know why that happens, little friends?
Yeah.
Because these squares have little magnets here. These are magnets. Whoa! Okay, so we're gonna put a little square right here. Okay, then we're gonna put another one right here. Ooh.
Don't take this one, okay?
We are also going to need little triangles. All right?
This is so big.
So we're gonna put one right here and one on the other side and put them right there.
Look
like
at this.
Wow.
So big.
So cool.
I want to make it.
We need another.
I need to make the same one.
Whoa, you see that? Now we're getting a little form of the car.
Can you give me one?
What do you need?
I need to do the same.
Oh no, but we only have 2 wheels. We need 4 wheels. So we need this and this.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it together, look.
Yeah.
So I need a square. Can you find a square? Where are the squares? Yay! Give me a square. We're gonna put it right here.
But I need to do the same.
So. It's a little bit different. Let's see. On this side, we need one like this. Can you find it?
What?
Like that.
That's not a square.
A pentagon.
Pentagon.
It has 5 sides. Where is the pentagon? No.
Pentagon.
No. That's a hexagon. It has 6 sides. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides.
Do we have one? Maybe this one. No, that's not it. I cannot find a pentagon.
This is a pentagon.
That's a triangle.
1, 2, 3. I have 3 sides.
3.
1, 2, 3. 3 sides.
Alright.
Look at Mom.
We can just do it differently. Okay? So let's do a square.
Oh, this is a pentagon.
Put a square right there. Okay. We're gonna need another square right here.
I need to do the same. I need to do the same.
Wow, look at that.
It fell off.
Ooh, it did. It did fell off.
I'm gonna do the same. I want to do the same.
Like this. Ooh. Little friends, this is a little hard. It's very, very magnetic. There you go. And we need this one right here so that it doesn't fall on us, right? All right, now we're gonna put this wheel right here. Ready? And put a little square right there. There you go. Let's see how we can make this differently. Okay, put it right there. We're gonna need, little triangles. Ready?
Whoa! Floating!
Like 2 triangles like this.
Yeah. Triangles like this. You're gonna fall off.
Okay, let me see.
It fell off. It's falling off. I can't do it anyway.
So like this. Okay,
Little friends.
Maybe
Little
we can
friends.
use
You know what? I'm sick.
this. Yes, that's right. You're very sick.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Not fair.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I like it so much.
Like this?
Yeah, I can do it.
Ooh. This is working out. What do you think? Yay! We need one more right here. Yeah! Wow!
Oh!
I'm looking for a ladder. The ladder D. Can you find the letter D?
Yeah.
Where is the letter D, little friend?
Over here.
Where is the letter D?
D.
Oh, yes. D is for dog.
Dog.
Put it in the truck, Nellita. There you go. Woo! This is the ladder truck. All right, little friends. What else can we do? Can we do a little dog?
I don't want to do a little dog.
That one looks a little kind of hard.
Mommy, we can do a house with the connector.
Nellita, what if we use this?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. What can we make with this?
Look at
A Ferris wheel. Yes, we can make a Ferris wheel. So cool.
I put it for you.
Mm-hmm.
It's so hard to put it.
Yeah, it is.
There we go.
Okay. And
I'm trying to make this.
let's see. I don't know if we can actually make a Ferris wheel. Can we, Nellita?
Yes.
We're gonna need this right here. How do we put this on here? Like that. Oh, you know what?
What?
Where is that little plastic stick? It comes with a little plastic stick.
A little plastic.
I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. Yay. So we can put it right there. And then we can put this through there. Ooh, I think that's right. And then put that one there, Nellita.
Like this?
Yep. Put it all the way through.
Whoa!
And we're gonna set it right there. Okay?
There we are.
And then these little ones, we're gonna tap them like this so that it doesn't come off. Right? I think so. Something like that. Huh.
No, this one.
There you go. And then we need that one right there.
Let me see. Oh, I need the little square.
Okay.
This is a little bit hard. Can't see anything.
Let me see.
Not fair.
This is, I put this one wrong.
I put that one wrong, Sally. You put that one wrong.
There you
The
go.
one what? The one what? I knew it.
There you go. Right? Woo! All right. But I think we're gonna need these big ones. Let's see if we can do it without them. Like this.
Hey,
Like
Mom!
this.
You broke my house.
Like this.
You broke my house, Mom.
Uh-oh. I'm trying to make a Ferris wheel.
That looks like a house. I need some.
Uh-oh. I think we're gonna need those, the ones over there. Ah!
You got it.
This is impossible.
This is super impossible. Possible. Possible. Not fair. Not fair, okay.
All right, ready? Ooh, I think. Ooh, it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Uh-oh.
Break and break.
Okay, so we have to put this through there. This is a little hard. Trying to figure out how all of this goes. It is hard, isn't it?
Super hard.
Wow. There you go. Like that.
Look it. This is my little house. I can put my
Wow.
stuff. I can put some money there.
Okay, and then we
Look
have to
at
take
little
this
friend.
one
This
out.
is my little thing. There's money in there. There's a It's having so much fun. And like a
Nellita.
party. What?
Can you figure out how to make a house?
This is a house.
Yeah, but you still need a roof. How can you make a roof for the house?
With a triangle.
Ooh, with a triangle. You are right.
This one.
Very good.
Like this.
So good, Nellita. So good.
Wait. Like this. Oh no. It's gonna fall off. Nah.
You need little squares.
Little squares? That's weird. I can't make that.
This is hard.
It's so hard.
It is. Very hard. There you go.
With little tiny. Hey!
Uh-oh! So cool. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
All right. And then we have to use the little ones, the little triangles. These ones,
Yeah.
we need a few of these. So we're gonna need this one like right here.
Look at the little square. Look at little friends. Look at the little tiny thing.
Like that. And
Her
then like
tail.
this. And then
Let me put some
ooh,
amazing.
we need more squares.
Square.
Let's see, I need one here.
I got it. Square.
I need one right
Look at
here.
here's how much squares. Okay, no.
This is a little hard to do because they get stuck to each other, right?
Stuck to the shutter.
And I need a triangle here too.
You need a
Look,
triangle.
like that. Ooh.
Like that? It's a little bit hard.
Yeah, because
Whoa! It's harder.
wow.
Little friends, here's some money. Let's put it in the table. Whoa, that's a lot of money.
Uh-oh. You see? That's how we have to do it. We have to do it all around so we can make a Ferris wheel.
Ferris. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow, Nellita, it's like a swing. Look at that.
Do some more, Sully.
Wow.
Put some more squares.
Cool.
Put some more squares, Sully.
Okay, so we have to
Whoa.
put more little triangles
Whoa. Whoa, it's falling on my
right
wheels.
there.
It's like a party in the
Put a little
house.
square and another square. And then we're gonna put another little triangle. And
Ferris wheel. It's beautiful. My sister found it. Ow. I'm just doing some money, little friend. I don't know what happened to you. What's happening, little tota? Little tota. We are finished.
wow. You see how cool?
Yes.
You like it?
And next touch.
Look how cool that looks.
Oh, we can make that.
Woo. Can I use some of your squares?
No.
Uh-oh.
That's my square. Okay, let's put that there.
Yeah. Wow, nice job. Good job. Oh, wow, we're almost done. It is so cool. Ooh. Wow. Hold on, I think we need little, do we need triangles there? I think so, right? And I think we need one here. And one right here. Is that all the squares?
Yeah. Finish how much
Well, little friends, we ran out of squares. But look how cool. We're gonna have to go to the store and get some more. Wow, look, Nellita.
So cool. Look, you can put my car there.
Uh-oh. I hope you guys enjoyed our show. Give us a like, share it, and subscribe. Bye, little friends. High five. Like.
Bye, little friend. Ow.